police officer la kumakangolu to ako police olu bitun imafo kukurum manke ako kono ferem bari imajele follow iman akoje wo dalilo le ya sabo itel menje kawla fo moliyam follow bitun wairi manki baro soto bulo la follow docteur olu manki baro di la follow ka fo may autopsy report wolem kibaro ti memba itan la ko nyimari ala saya sababu keta nyineti wairi maw kibaro soto follow akoyte kuma fono la je police olu yala kambano muta wairi sunkuto la kambano moleti isobita num ka abulobe sunkuto la saya konole ka to sunkuto la saya nya ya kankula brikama lopitano to january karotil tang anin worowula birin ya samba lopitano to ala kambano nyim fongle ya samba lopitano to bitum abe lopitano to abe lari nje wa ana tafajele bitum ko police ole kibaro nyim soto nyami bitum badi ngulu silang mbe telefono yelela 788-6966 nimmen lafta dunna 788-6966 ibo nombale commandila bitun isafo imari lafta men fola Allo Jamfar dio la wala account la allo ito do be commande lo la min
allo dat musa
nam
barama
inumbara
watanande
alhamdulillah tanate
ya ben to don dale mo no idi mala mo no
yo awa
ya so mbeme fola wala mu president adama baro la masakunda ma fawol dat musa correctional siada bakele mo
lecturer le ya fode lecturer university lecturer university lecturer wala fanga ya kumofo
o muto nyalen ko ala correctional siada dat musa ko be mantra temberi
kodi
e kamoy yeah so kol bela la fada dal dat musa dat de o ko ay feriye fe tan terminal auto to jo kana bara it's 35 right now it's $35
ba terminal feri wala terminal auto
feri wala terminal auto ka bo ka terminal kana bara it's $35 ticket o
awa
so o fana bori ngo je so ado baro da masa kunda da mo buka understand alafta men kila ani atam abetamala nyame mo buka understand so de dal ngamen so da men fola ye malon dal niara molla ni kolol de ngaro baro kala moy bam fa bu kala moy bam I don't know but ala masa kunda kono ayanta tegla bakele man mol men ba kata dingala so ol buka ma ko ol kata kinala rek ya
hanna buka be moy de bari aka dolu moy le ka dolu fayen ko hanna buka nyin kumolu be moy bari aka dolu moy le de ka dolu fayen
buka understand fale do buka ke dat musa ning Gambia ko is small country
bituo
small country akere nyawo nyandi man ni nyaka mul ma ko lale man kol bel hatta de nyawo nyandi musa
bituo de nga ala dani nga dua fo ala si banko makoy kuli sabati ya lo slakendo kan inumbara billahi yes thank you very much allo wa alaikum salam ito do be commandero la min kianka yaf bukata ku amonde lefta fala Gambia be talin kan ne ka to talin te tamanya kende ti
no definitely betama kan wori nyamade hande limban ko fuaro le siada fentiete
ito nyala fuaro le siada fentiete de
okay somol be da ka fu ando hani bi somol da ka fu nimbrana sungaro be mella lan ko wori ya spar ndol muslimo le poli de kanji be sungaro ni mo sidan na ba ka so dalle na ba
ando mu kujaw balti
ya lo mu kujaw balti
ala la sungaro ite mamolu makoy ka fenglu data la foy kala fa
definitely Pepper and Namasa Kunda advisor the government they call it Adama Road was that tempo to dead tek.
wakata kawa kuodi
Mantan da ka di am banko ka mon price concurso da men diare me kele to wa ko le dita ko tan dala sul tamena tan dala mo o mo si bol di
o de wo man korek ya sambi lulu asamo ya san dala muang he wo ko mu kawa kuodi
yo abaraka hala
amin Allah ya rabbi baraka 7886966 allo 7886966 allo allo
assalamu alaikum
wa alaikum salam
Mane
nam
limbara lafta kuma sabale fola
inum bara to dube kumanduro lamin
o kuma sabo Mosi njabi wala melu kasungo ke sanji tanni sai.
Melu kamunke?
Melu kasunyaro ke sanji tanni worola.
Sanji tanni sai dindingulu melu kasunyaro la.
Olma ulula le sotoba.
Iye ulula le sotokai.
Ikambenke inila ulula le alonni.
Ibe marola kono de be molle bulu.
No ibe alonne ya ga metilo na alon ko ni soto be fala le jomare be ga suwo sunyaro ya.
Itita.
Okay, fulangam. Mudole be baro bulba be paso do paro kanila mol bulba.
Hani.
Tabanjam. Esansi kolon le be Gambia ba.
Hani esansi kolon ti jande.
Okay, jimmol ñini ka wala ñinde ide la moto sa be fenne ñinina. Ndenge na moto sa be fenne ñinina.
Ade.
Moto ñinna ta porola ye taxi kolego la jo. Inyanda fenso to la foy man ñanda fenso.
Inyanda fenso to la ko yena mojo ye esanso sang.
Moto sanyo o femo be so to la jomal le ñol bulu.
Banko molu melu mutamalal.
Ko banko mol ni ko wo ko liata. Sayin be kala yadi
wala mde abe dulal de
okay nani njango manu kunko be munto
mani kunko fo kilingulu men ya sene santol to katade
okay sayin ni ajibe ni wusene wato sita ke bal ben menu be sanji talulu wol ko imke balati ibukata so tala do kola dinno sanji wala sanji tanin nani wala be do kola demoro konko be bola nale ba
ate bola konko be dunale ko
odo moy kana nyo fe awai
to nyala
nde men ka men foto nten la siobe sanji taworo wala ni ani lulu bari ni sama ko pop mbeda wulo kon
to nyala ente untel be yo sede yale katu ndemen ni be diam kande nte mama atata le fasio be sanji tansa yakata kunkoto
odo sanji famalu baluda men na nyola nyoni kintoni tibanyo sani jel ko mam karabalu la wala ngabaru import la num mba ngulen ke kawle do ko kela abakela nyadi
abakole yala bak
sani jafo ko mano da ko yada po mata kundale be mano nadila
hani de julol le kanati de
julol be lu banati la be la taxi je jola po ni aje be taxi jola mata kunda be taxi kanina ibakadina munkama puri do ko ke ba
wala kanamo kandamo kananyina kama puru yi la soto
ankana yo yabu
ito nyala
balu ko ni mella fita ni sama dunta ta wulo ko no yeta do ko ke
ito nyala abaraka enim barabake bitun sabaylo silambe kolu dandile janne kadwa felenti wato yen jamfa nte koldo tano la menu dunta al nimbara bake nga menu la kol soton ala baraka bake bitun nimme man dunno sabari ning ala sonda sama
Great Gambians bimbe batari mbakele some audio la molange analyze Gambia dingol la hakilo la level on jibe nyinke ba me kolketa ka hakilo be asiye be sanji taworo wala anil lulu asiye sanji taworo wala anil lulu bar ngamira alafta kumo mem fola kumo atamanna kumo fo bar kumo le na te fo wenni ku ya bakara keba be development tambi ako fonni gelo dembo amadu fanka fa dembo by force amadu by force ako funding ke ol men yalan ko lu dinne wala wala bita do ko wala ke bal men be sanyu talulu wala ko tita do ko wala kongo be bono lo banko ka nyaadi le anana ak modo fana ko ako businessman ol men ke la business ol samana banko ka ke la tax jo wol fana nyanta fenne so la business or that's fine. So ko alama baro fo malo mune go bulo nyina dawd la dara na ko to sound tan ko la na anyway amanjara kay nak mo be repeat banko tutale Gambia tutale ale amna Gambia manto ndenga hope so nani last generation o kola nto la generation I think we have hope ngandi number of Gambian student ol men yaje be graduate la be la educational follow to the numerous university in the world ngamela nto la generation will ala been blessed la with a brain, me alonko we will be able to reason a broader way, ka understand, mune mu development, mune mansakunda la role ti bankoka, mune banko dingo la nyantoti, ay mansakunda me londi, ay mu nyanta le sotani mansakunda nyinteba. Bari, amanke kome menu damma tata karamodo wala nyanta nye understand. Ngana Gambianol nita kadiamu community yele bari ngamela hadama dingo dolbeje wol kemira nyamem I don't understand. I just sit down here and think. Sometimes ka ceiling ka mol fon le jibe dini even tol fon la generation of mol fon ka yom manol jibe many alon ka barola media program ol ni use media do how those people think e jarango wol dol nita brain surgery da ni se wol fon la brain is la brain boni no kono ye se wota yo implant ye wol fon be fisala than to have a human brain in some of their heads. Although to have a human brain in them is an insult to humanity. It's an insult to the human nature. Because ikemira nyame hani sewo buke mira onyama. Ikemira nyame hani wulo buke mira onyama. Hani beyango buke mira onyama. So wala hadama dingo la nature, wala body. Nyanta hadama dingo la body sort la. But nyanta brain surgery le kela ko wala brain yem bondi ka sewo take wala wulo ka blend. Ngaje ko hadama dim balolo be la barike mira la ko follow ko hakilitera. They cannot reason anything. Yes, obe Gambian ol kono si abate Gambian ol kono. Nyemo free soul tibi. Nesula nin kunjaro man time so no bi nyanta diam na mandiam no. Kujama bale be kere. So bari Gambia is one of the most backwarded country in the whole world. Niamna Gambia develop tale. Yalon Gambia ka develop nyaadi le. Na young generation like wole kamoneke Gambia developed tale fashionably na fashions we blend three different fashions to ngamera wole mu development into ngamera wole mu awareness into ngamera wole mu to la nyantoti wole mnyendiko they blend both Jamaica, England and American lifestyle at the same time. It lose tela integrity la ila culture, ila traditional and custom. Gambia dingo baby nyina ka wala le na British la parenya la mbole le chikal American la kotu bado European la type jeans all, you know. It's just sad. It's just sad. Yeah. The phone wala nyama. The phone la ko is just sad. Alako Gambia dingo be tarra jele me yalan ko be mira kan ko en keba ke mira nyamen sanji tallulu sanji tawrula ne lulu keba ke mira ko han seo na tata wulo ko no do mor nyinola na dingo do jabo ko do nya kal ne ndunda jaben torala Gambia dingol ye Mansakunda men londi yalan ko Mansakunda man anything provide care me alan ko le mo holla nyantoti in Mansakunda tem ita ka bo Mansakunda mo yana Google out loud. This man okay? Alala brain operate. Let's see what I can. Let's go to Honorable Jibim Balola audio. I made some little records here about Jibim Balo. I kumolu for aning panila conversation or the audio men for ala audio men liktano. I believe that star for Vanna. Ina la moy Jibila Gambia police la reaction to Jibila issues. Ani the audio men lecture itata di no arrest inatana William Jibina na William fabricate. This is very sickening to public officers. But janime for the lot. No wala nante jaran ko ndete la jaran Jibi mbale ko jaran ko la. Dari jaran ko tiolo ya banne.
All message before you found the Ninkela. All message before you found the Ninkela. Every day I'm after kodo dinna, niman kodo dinna, I am going to deform your character. I will never give you money.
Nalbe yung audio la mola albe pandi fana mola pandi bala analysis or killer nta fana bila analysis or killer jela at the end of the audio. So I cannot distract. But very interesting part le biji. Pandi nyina dat la amand la dole maud la nta lafta jele mala. So ali la moyen.
And if you want to do anything that you want to do, because me I'm innocent pure.
Okay, Honorable Mbalo in voice message okay. Ako, he will send me all details. But all details on Mankino and because it's Honorable Mbalo. That's what I see. At the end of the day, Honorable Mbalo Moneke, Janimbe Fotalo Beto, the Madonna voice will play less Gambian or Aliela Mwe, Ania Hakilo, Kende, you know, Metalambe Fotala Jamal.
What have this man done to you? I will give you the girl's number when I reach to the station because she is arrested. I will give you the number. You find out exactly why have you to do this? What have this man done to you? This is a transcribed voice. If you listen to the voice very well, it's a transcribed voice. But these people have already confessed. They already confessed. And the boy that was doing it, there is a boy that is with it, and the boy have shown out all the messages. What they Julia Munke, you mustn't can call all the time, but then Kabila call no matter you for police all bad track and so can block. I can't call a car when you call left any fifty, but I come Munke. No, they were just it's a set of my brother, Bilawala. I've never met these people. So I Munke, they transcribe the voice to what tune them. So what the lady my brother, you might understand that how they can play with voice. This voice was a played and corrupted voice. And then first of all, Ibalo Nako, Nyul Manke Dini Multi. Nyul Manko under 80, according to Kunum Revelation or Muyutandi. Nyul, they have a team that is working on this, so it's an established team. And the Nyul, they could Jamale to Yarafon. These people are real set up and blackmailing people to make money. Nyul ko ite do ko kela and the Bekodo make la mol muya loneko, moli lone hardworking people to bring them down. You understand? That is their primary function. Because Kabri Musoni Nininka, Akoha, it will be set up la. Kajeko, Sibul Sabanol Mulka, Bula Dinimono. I want to know what Dinimo. What Dinimo Nenemana. Akamu for Dinimo Manke Dinimo. One. So, secondly, what Kajeko, but Kabri, okay. Munatina, you are asking for money. Why are you asking for money? Is it the money or what do you want? I did. Akoya useless. Ikayeko Jumali use. There is a man called Karim Wole Ayus. Iko where is that man? That man is in Dubai. So Tekaiko,
This is Honorable Mbala of NPP. Me alanko ngala audio mole ane musu nube diamukang. Two-way traffic call it. It's not one way. Most of the edit tale, transcribe tale, katila voice insert kado tadunde o mansodaje. Direct conversationality between the two individuals. Aya fai, aya nyininka, he left a kind of sex letter from the oral because oral kadiatele. Akaya kono, don't worry if until I phone is very tight and clean. That was a two-way traffic call. Okatale. Question and answer ne kanala. Question aka demand ne atela which moment aka all for musuno feel side to respond to that place. Aka don't even worry. That one is very clear conversation. Gambia police oli amna phone let do kola. Iko muso ka agents ika ni iko aya sue court le wala aya samba court le to record his voice without his consent. One can understand. Barkaji ko kobe nyunu mu gangol ledi. A civil servant to little setup. That's bogus. That's completely nonsense. Ndanje Gambia police will form do kolonika ndo ke arrest wala. New Honorable Mbalo. Akanye ndi ne samba police le. I report le because I record le. Ila private conversation on in record without la consent. One can understand. Amna Gambia police will form le. Gambia police jumal form ta arrest. Yamna Gambia police will find out money mu to find out do quote money mu police city because police are there to politicize the constitution. Hanama de mu be the right moment in yanda utanda. Look in Europe jam nim police will not de mu de kamna follow ke e ka fa ne dalilo me atna nata ke arrest par ko in ka mole blackmail e kata ka arrest wala you left the civil servant. You see this one yenyim part alanyin idea nyin natale katana or there are people some segment of people or group of individuals well they are directly targeting the government officials because police or yeah because government is civil servant or they are somebody. Are they superhuman beings or they are superhuman? I don't know marvel. So these are Nadu, brauchen Sie noch was?
Ja, eine Säge und eine Flanke.
Guck mal einfach hinten, ob es da.
Ja, ist.
Weißt du, wo das ist?
Ja.
Vielen Dank. Ja. I'll be back in a minute. Eine Fanta, warte mal. Ist alles leer, haben wir nichts. Sorry, I apologize, folks. Somebody need Mia get super. Pamari. The Gunjur Massif, you know, Bitamala. I'm from Bitamala. I'll go you know. So, Nina audio yung kanaliala mo the listeners. I apologize again. Ako nyo mo, there are a group of individuals in the Gambia government officers or call targets. Ako andong ala diamo kono kote ke nata muna indicate ye. Ako nyo mo sino katlata call every time. Ako ka call every time. I was stop out loud. I got me left between the alanying revelation.
Dankeschön.
Yeah, schönen Dank.
Ja.
Bis nachher, ja?
Bis nachher.
Alles klar. You see, I government blow statement on Intako because you must know ka call every time. I jump it at the water tak nga mata phone report police le. Between these two statements, I be info can do that, but I government bula between a statement on Inko Kavako Musuno ka call every time. I know Nyanda made this course la local call is no more fire nak. I jump it out of Quatanga police all Namata report police all. You see the gap between these two statements. Better about the police all issue that Mutanam back to the same statement, and I don't want to forget how I call in fact Dana Kodola. You see, Gambia police are they intelligent enough to know the lies, to separate the lies and fabrication stories? Because my position, I am MP. If I fabricate lies, the police will mentally pre-file. They will support me against an innocent individual. Nyena to alliance statement okona I William be try to gather them. I'm very sorry. You know why? This Mbalo, a very good friend of mine, a very, very decent boy, a very close friend of mine. He's one of the most gentle person I've ever met. Abari Nenyenti. Billahi. To analyze these issues. I apologize, my boy. I really apologize. But there are certain things bijang anyanda kafole. Ninketan telephone ala diam. Boysol. Another mbalo ko ya set up nyame hani ndele set up nyam. Nongo la finda la platform ko le diam. Anale ni mo la conversation mo ala finda la platform ko ya sata. Yes, ala sata, you know, because anyanda follow. So my boy, I really apologize. So you see this the fabricated story. Pruka from back. Ka police also support la wala nyanda police will bribe la nyame against these people. I will fabricate ganja. Nga audio follow the money. I wish I have that audio now. Ala previous audio more sort of jang. Then mbole play la. Ale la mo nyun mo follow la conversation on. Aneni la ma kana audio men fo jang. Ala diff aka audio men fo jang. Akonye mo audio men ala konye audio from more they are prepare amanjated. Ya editle, ya cattle voice, ya compile, purkate stain, purkate shame. I will for that. I find innocent personality pattern into these issues, but mistakenly another one for you call all the time. But it could me alongo. These are a group of individuals, many alongo after government officials will shame and then this audio you editly. For a transcribe lebang, and then you clean, you edit, you compile. It go toward. But at the same time, you can get a call all the time. In Agamanakata, allow all the time calls. How long you been communicating with this girl? People need to know. The people you are representing at National Assembly, like me, I want to know. How long you been communicating with this one? When did you realize that these people be set up? And when did you report the matter to the police? This is what the government need to know. You see, but if they want to lie, blatantly lying, fabricating stories just to stain somebody's name or to put somebody in trouble, this is what they do. Imagine saying it has to involve another person. Mobile economy, you can have your mobile phone. It's an application. Me alongo, ibas install the mobile economy. Any incoming and outgoing call will be directly recorded. The conversation will be recorded and automatically in calling stop that can store it. Either la memory kono wala la mobile or storage ninkana. You can even go back there and read. Today I don't have it and I don't want to have it because ni moja ma balekadia. And I honest people look at their men and they are patriotic citizens. So I don't want to do anything. Monsina no Gambia mol konyo konfuila mobile they just tamper those audios. So I can't. Then mina Gambia na mobile on katu jana. I never travel away with my mobile phone. I come with a new one, a different one or an old one. and then in SIM card coming to jang ne ka communicate me na private numbers in ko beti jamana jane. So this is quite important to protect your information, to protect the information, many information on you conveyed to the masses. These are the most important people. Nte bihani nte arisia ikonyako. Jumale la sulani kunjarote. Mbafle la galim fa. Nime nkonye fa sulani kunjaro. Mbafle itele fa sulani kunjarote. Itele sulani kunjarote. Ni kwenye mtebe keno sulani. Kwa ni mu banku din keno itele sulani kunjarote. That's it. The information on the carbon diamond, nobody on this planet, no matter any circumstances, you will kill me.